Hi everybody, welcome to this episode of the Health Channel. Today we are going to check the properties a plant that have very much protein. Stay with me until the end of this video. The soybean or soya bean is a species of legume native to East Asia, widely grown for its edible bean. Soy is a staple crop, the world's most ground legume, and an important animal feed. Soy is a key source of food, useful both for its protein and oil content. Soybean oil is widely used in cooking as well as in industry. Traditional unfermented food uses of soybeans include edamame as well as soy milk, from which tofu and tofu skin are made. Fermented soy foods include soy sauce, bean paste, natto, and etc. Fat-free soybean meal is a significant and cheap source of protein for animal feeds and many packaged meals. For example, soybean products such as textured vegetable protein are ingredients in many meat and dairy substitutes. Soy-based foods are traditionally associated with East Asian cuisines and still constitute a major part of East Asian diets, but processed soy products are increasingly used in Western cuisines. Soybeans contain significant amounts of phytic acid, dietary minerals, and B vitamins. Soy may reduce the risk of cancer and heart disease. Some people are allergic to soy. Soy is a complete protein and therefore important in the diets of many vegetarians and vegans. The association of soy with vegans and the misconception that soy increases estrogen production have led to being used as a derogatory term. Among the legumes, the soybean is valued for its high protein content as well as its high oil content. Soybeans are the most valuable agricultural export for the United States. Approximately 85% of the world's soybean crop is processed into soybean meal and soybean oil. The remainder processed in other ways or eaten whole. 100-gram reference quantity of raw soybeans supplies 446 kilocalories of food energy and are 9% water, 30% carbohydrates, 20% total fat, and 36% protein. Peanuts are the only legumes with a higher fat content and calorie count. For human consumption, soybeans must be processed prior to consumption either by cooking, roasting, or fermenting to destroy the trypsin inhibitors. Raw soybeans, including the immature green form, are toxic to all monogastric animals. 2 benefits of soy. Number 1. Protects heart health. Research on the benefits of soy shows that this food helps lower cholesterol and improve other risk factors for heart disease. The fiber, protein, and alpha-linoleic acid found in soy seem to contribute to these effects. Soy also contains isoflavones, which act like estrogen and have antioxidant properties. Number 2. Soybeans are rich in nutrients. One of the benefits of soy is that it is rich in fiber with 10 grams per cup, which is good for digestion and digestive health. Soybeans are a rich source of potassium, which is vital for the proper functioning of many body processes. These processes include causing the heart to beat, helping the kidneys filter waste products, and helping their nerve to direct nerve impulses. Soybeans also contain other important minerals such as vitamin K, a micronutrient important in blood clotting, iron, copper, manganese, phosphorus, and thiamine. But like all foods, soy can be harmful if consumed in excess. It contains anti-nutrients. Soy contains a type of plant compound called phytate, which is classified as an anti-nutrient. Anti-nutrients reduce the absorption of minerals such as calcium, iron, and zinc. Phytate is not harmful unless it is in excessive amounts in the diet. You can reduce the amount of phytate in soy by soaking, fermenting, and cooking it. Genetically modified. Most soy consumed worldwide is genetically modified, GMO, meaning it has been genetically altered to make it resistant to certain herbicides. The results of various studies on the health effects of GMO foods are contradictory, and more studies are needed to draw definitive conclusions. May contain gluten. Soy sauce contains gluten, a protein found in some grains, including wheat. Gluten triggers an immune response that damages the small intestine of people with celiac disease. People with celiac disease and those who are allergic to wheat should avoid soy sauce. At the end of this video, thank you for being with me. For more information about other fruits and vegetables, follow other videos of this channel. If this information was useful for you, please subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions about soy, ask in the comment section. Your health is our wish. Have a nice day.